Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to connect your device to Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi and are unsure where to begin, do not worry because the setup process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people see the Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi network but are unsure which one to choose, while other times the connection screen appears but login details seem confusing. Since Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi can help improve internet access and reduce mobile data usage, learning the right connection process can make everything feel much smoother. The best part is that once setup finishes correctly, your device should automatically connect to Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi whenever supported networks are nearby. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to connect to Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi. Try these. Step 1. Open Wi-Fi settings on the phone or device before searching for Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi. Step 2. Look through available networks on the phone or device and select the Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi option. Step 3. Sign in using account details connected with Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi if login appears on the phone or device. Step 4. Wait while the phone or device completes the connection process to Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi. Step 5. Test internet access on the phone or device and confirm Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi works properly. Step 6. Leave Wi-Fi enabled on the phone or device so Xfinity mobile Wi-Fi reconnects automatically later.